Hi friends, I'm Tilak, you're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to use the indent and outdent on your Google Docs mobile application. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to use indent and outdent on your Google Docs mobile, I just going to show in this video. Plus, first of all, click on a new document here. So just going to type as hi, and now I'm just going to use this indent to move the text. So just click on the A option on the top, and here you will see a lot of options. In going to the paragraph, you will see below the alignment you will see this option, which is outdent and also indent. The outdent, which actually moves the word or text to the right side of the page, and indent, which actually moves the text to the left side of the page. This is how you just use this on a thank you, from, to, which is so useful. So use this outdent and indent to increase or decrease the length or spaces of the easily. You can, if you nearby you just clicking on the space. In alternate, you can use this indent and outdent to, so you can easily move the text or word or sentence in your document. So for an example, I just opened this document for an example, and just turning off the viewing mode. Now you can just see this. I just want to use this indent here, going to paragraph. So you can see I just move this, and here also, if you don't want this much of space, click this, and you going to the paragraph, you just use the indent. This is how you just use indent and outdent on your Google Docs mobile. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with this super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.